Victoria's most senior public health expert was left out of the decision-making when it came to securing our quarantine hotels.
You weren't even aware that private security were being used in the hotel quarantine program until after the outbreaks.
That's correct.
He says in hindsight, private security guards were the wrong people for the job.
The demographics of that workforce cohort provide for significant risks of transmission within the community, the casualised labour that was involved.
Back on April 9, less than 2 weeks after the program began, Professor Sutton endorsed a request for an urgent review into the scheme after an email sent by a senior health official warned of a considerable risk to the health and safety of hotel guests. Despite the red flag, security guards remained. 10 weeks later, when outbreaks at the Ridges and Stanford Plaza hotels spread into the community and caused the state's second wave, the Chief Medical Officer emailed Professor Sutton offering help. If you need a short-term surge workforce in the meantime, Aspen or ADF could help at very short notice. That offer wasn't accepted, and more than a month since the inquiry began, there's still no clear answer on who was responsible for the program's failures.
I don't believe that any one individual is responsible for what occurred.
Today's evidence again raises serious questions about the Premier's repeated denials that ADF support wasn't on offer to secure the state's quarantine hotels. And it's an issue that's not going away anytime soon.
I've answered your question. It's exactly the same answer I gave yesterday because it's accurate, it's truthful, and others can seek to play games with this.
It's the Premier's turn to face the inquiry next week. Bridget Rollason, ABC News, Melbourne.